What if I told you that the only thing that stands between you and your dream is your voice? What if I told you in just few days I can turn that fear into a great pop? Welcome to 7 days workshop at Fiza Institute of English Language, where I will be training you into public speaking and be shaping your skills. Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Irfan and I train students into speaking English at Fiza Institute of English Language, and also I train students into public speaking as well. Till now, I have trained more than 40 students into English speaker, and most of them has become very good public speaker as well. And now, I don't want to be limited till FIEL students only. I am going to give you the same opportunity in which I will be teaching you into public speaking free of cost for 7 days. This workshop, as you know, is going to be for 7 days and it is going to start on 28th of April and till 5th of May. I will meet you on Monday 28th of April. You can contact me on the given number and you can directly come to Fiza Institute of English Language at office and consult with me directly. Thank you. Have a very nice day. Wassalam.